So, talking about what GPUs I have, like I said, kind of getting into this right before the bull run, but right when COVID and everything, you know, supply issues, supply constraints, no GPUs available, was a little difficult, especially, you know, with little money at the start. A lot of open box. If there is one thing I learned, it's that if you're GPU mining, for the most part, you don't care about the look of the card, so open box is your best friend. I mean, literally, more than half my cards are probably open box cards. You know, a lot of manufacturers have their B stock or open box pages. Zotac is awesome for it. I mean, they add things all the time. I mean, it's just been great. I mean, this is open box, open box, open box. I could probably go like room by room and say how many things are just open box. I mean, all open box. What else do we got? What do we got? These are all open box. Every single one of these 1660 Supers and 2060s. Same with all these guys down here. Got some Gigabytes and some Asus, all open box. Even during the bull market, therefore a little more. I mean, they're still more expensive than MSRP, but like not much more. You know, but saving a couple $100, it's important. 2080 Ti's down there, all open box, like phenomenal pricing for during the bull market on these. These 1660 Supers, I think, are half open box and half new. There was a brief moment during summer 2021 where it was like right after the first top of Bitcoin in the bull market, and there was that lull before the second top in November. And it was like August that year where like there were some GPUs available at okay prices. So I think I scooped, and they were mostly low power, like 1660 Supers and 6600 XTs. So I scooped up a bunch there between that double top in the bull market we had. So I do have some new. It's also when I got all these 6800s. So those are not open box. But other than the AMD cards here, these two, the other three 6700s here are all open box. All the 2080 Ti's open box. I'm not at my house, but my house is mostly open box. I think I have maybe 30 some odd 1660 Supers at my house that are all open box. So, you know, bull market strategy for if you're trying to get into something that requires, you know, crypto mining equipment, open box. Save hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and honestly, for the most part, I had no issues. There were a couple, especially with Zotac, but Zotac has like a 1-year warranty on open box items, so like, and I think they might have even up to 2 years now. So like, the ones I had issues with, I just returned. Like, and you know pretty quickly, like it was like I turned it on and it crashed right away. So yeah, like open box is your best friend if you're trying to expand during a bull market. The only downside is I don't have many 30 series GPUs. I do have, like I said, we got 8 2000s here. I got 4 in my house too. I got a 3080, a 3070, and that was about all the 30 series I could get my hands on during the bull market for a reasonable cost. But like, you know, 20 series was still good. A lot of 20 series cards. So many 2060s, so many 1660 Supers. I understand that's 16 series, not 20 series, but you know, it's still pretty good and efficient for what they are. A lot of 2070s. I have a whole lot of 2070s at my house right now. Trying to think. I got some 5700s and 5600s, like I said, that were open box. So So pretty much a lot of last gen stuff that, you know, it's kind of, you know, getting sold out, final inventory being sold, but like saved a lot. What I loved more 30 series, yeah, of course. So yeah, that's my recommendation. Open box. And honestly, I'll probably still do open box even in this bear market right now, because you just save so much money. So hopefully you find this insightful. If you're trying to get going and do it as cheaply as possible, open box. Just make sure wherever you're buying it from, you know, it has a warranty, and throw it through some tests immediately, like push it to its max, make sure it's operating properly, and you'll quickly know if it's good or not. And as long as you got it with warranty, whether, you know, Micro Center or Best Buy, or if you bought direct from the manufacturer, like I said, a lot of manufacturers have their B stock and open box pages. Go check them out. Super cheap. It's a good way to get into the space when costs are up. That's what I did. So yeah, but yeah, that's about it for this video. Until next time.